yesterday and today الأمس واليوم. Listen and practice saying the time. الآن تدرب على القول الوقت.
What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. What time is it? It's 8:30. It's 11:30. It's 5:45. What time is it? It's 1:10. It's 9:20. It's 6:40.
Small talk. Ask your partner and get the real answers. الآن أتي بالإجابات الملائمة لهذه الأسئلة.
Are you ready? Okay, let's listen and practice. What time do you get up in the morning? I usually get up at 6 o'clock. What time did you get up yesterday? Yesterday, I got up at 6:30. What time do you go to bed? I usually go to bed at 9:30. What time did you go to bed yesterday? Yesterday, I went to bed at 10 o'clock.
3. Can you interview your teacher and your friends? هل يمكنك مقابلة معلمك وأصحابك؟ What time do you go to bed? متى تذهب للنوم؟ I usually go to bed at 9:30. الساعة 9:30. What time did you go to bed yesterday? ومتى نمت بالبارحة؟ Yesterday I went to bed at 10 o'clock. الآن الاسم name teacher friend 1 friend 2 الصاحب الأول الصاحب الثاني. usually في العادة yesterday الأمس الواقع والحقيقة.
Make pairs. Are you ready? Let's listen and practice.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 9:30.
What time did you go to bed yesterday?
Yesterday, I went to bed at 10 o'clock.
What time did you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 9 o'clock.
What time did you go to bed yesterday?
Yesterday, I went to bed at 9:30.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11 o'clock.
What time did you go to bed yesterday?
Yesterday, I went to bed at 12 o'clock. Okay, good. Now, let's do it for real.
I can أستطيع. Tell the time from 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock. أنا أقول الوقت من 1 إلى 12. Ask about bedtime using usually and yesterday. وأسأل وقت النوم باستخدام usually في المضارع و yesterday بالأمس. Grammar in action. القواعد. Listen and practice saying the words in pairs. المضارع نقول get up أصحو. eat lunch أكل الغداء. come home آتي المنزل. do my homework أقوم بالواجب. take a bath أستحم. go to bed أذهب للنوم. ولكن في الماضي نقول got up صحيت. ate lunch أكلت الغداء. came home أتيت للمنزل. did my homework قمت بالواجب. took a bath أخذت حماما. went to bed ذهبت للنوم.
1. Get up. Got up. 2. Eat lunch. Ate lunch. 3. Come home. Came home. 4. Do my homework. Did my homework. 5. Take a bath. Took a bath. 6. Go to bed. Went to bed.
2. Listen, point and chant. قل هذه الأنشودة.
I usually get up at 7 o'clock. Yesterday, I got up at 8 o'clock. I usually eat lunch at 12 o'clock. Yesterday, I ate lunch at 1 o'clock. I usually come home at 3 o'clock. Yesterday, I came home at 3:30. I usually do my homework at 5:30. Yesterday, I did my homework at 8:30. I usually take a bath at 8 o'clock. Yesterday, I took a bath at 6:30. I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock. Yesterday I went to bed at 9:30.
Good. Now you do it.
3. Can you listen to the sentences and point to the time on the clocks? هل يمكنك أن تستمع للجمل وتؤشر على الوقت في هذه الساعات؟
Are you ready? Okay, let's start. 1. It's 7 o'clock. 2. It's 7:30. 3. It's 9 o'clock. 4. It's 9:30. 5. It's 1:10. 6. It's 2:20. 7. It's 4:15. 8. It's 5:30. 9. It's 5:10. 10. It's 9:25. 11. It's 10:15. 12. It's 11:45.
I can أستطيع say two past tense sentences using yesterday. أقول أو أخبر بأفعال ماضية باستخدام yesterday بالأمس. Look at a clock and say what time it is. وأخبر بالنظر إلى ساعة كم الوقت. Rhythms and reading. What time do you do it? متى تقوم بهذا؟ Jump out of bed. أقفز من السرير. Brush my teeth. أنظف أسناني. Finish school. أنهي المدرسة. Ride the bus home. أركب الحافلة للمنزل. Eat my lunch. آكل الغداء. Meet my friends. أقابل أصحابي. Jump into bed. أقفز للسرير. Dream a lot. وأحلم كثيرا. تدرب على هذه الأنشودة.
At 6 o'clock, I jump out of bed and brush my teeth. At 1 o'clock, I finish school and ride the bus home. At 2 o'clock, I eat my lunch and meet my friends. At 10 o'clock, I jump into bed and dream a lot.
3. Can you mime what you do at these times? هل يمكنك أن تقوم بالتمثيل ماذا تقوم به في هذه الأوقات؟
First group. Are you ready? Let's start.
At 7:15, I jump out of bed.
At 12:30, I eat my lunch.
At 3 o'clock, I ride my bike home.
At 8:45, I jump into bed and dream a lot.
Okay, good. Next group. Are you ready?
I can أستطيع chant the what time do you do it chant. أنا أقول هذه الأنشودة. Point to and read the what time do you do it. وأسأل بهذا السؤال متى تقوم بالتالي. Chant by myself. هذه الأنشودة أيضا. Phonics النطق. Listen, point and say. كرر هذه الحروف. إنك وإنج وك.
Listen to words that end in NK, NG, and CK. Think, ring, rock.
Think, ring, rock.
Good. Now do it again.
Think, ring, ring,
Rock, rock.
2. Listen, number and write. إنك, إنج and ك. الآن املأ هذه الفراغات بالحروف الصحيحة.
3. Clock, clock. 2. Spring, spring. 3. Thick, thick. 2. Swing, swing. 1. Drink, drink. 1. Ink, ink. 3. Back, back. 2. Wing, wing.
3. Can you write the words beside the pictures؟ هل يمكنك كتابة الكلمات بالقرب من هذه الصور؟ Answers are
1. Is this a whale? Is this a whale? Yes, it is. 2. Do you like cheese? Do you like cheese? Yes, I do. 3. Is he on the ship? Is he on the ship? Yes, he is. 4. Can you call me on the phone? Can you call me on the phone? Okay. 5. Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. 6. Do you see a shark? Do you see a shark? Yes, I do. Are you finished? Okay, good.
Is this a whale؟ هل هذا حوت؟ Yes, it is. Do you like cheese؟ هل تحب الجبنة؟ Yes, I do. Is he on the ship؟ هل هو على السفينة؟ Yes, he is. Can you call me on the phone؟ هل يمكنك الاتصال بي على التليفون؟ Okay. Do you like chocolate؟ هل تحب الشوكولا؟ Yes, I do. Do you see a shark؟ هل ترى قرشا؟ Yes, I do. I can أستطيع. Say, spell and write words that end in ng. Spring, ink, think, clock. أستطيع أن أقول كلمات تبدأ بهذه أو تنتهي بهذه النواهي. Write one word starting with each of the following. اكتب كلمة تبدأ بالتالي ش و ch و ف and و and read them وأقرأها.